Pagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Angela Janagner at welcome po sa aking 365 Daily Devotion ni Pastor Russell Ocampo Seminary Edition at ngayong araw po ay May 27, 2025 at ang topic po natin ngayong araw ay incomprehensible. Paano mas makilala ang Diyos? And yung teaching, yung scripture po natin ngayong araw ay Romans chapter 11 verse 33 to 36. And then sabi po dito, "Oh, the depth of the riches of the wisdom and knowledge of God, how unsearchable His judgments, and His paths beyond tracing out. Who has known the need of the Lord, or who has been His counselor? Who has ever given to God the God should repay them? For from Him and through Him and for Him are all things, to Him be the glory forever." And yung concept po ng incomprehensible is God is incomprehensible, meaning that His nature, ways are beyond full human understanding, while we can knowledge true things about God through His revelation. In Scripture, we will never fully grasp the entirety of who He is. God's wisdom, power, and love transcend our limited understanding. This truth should not lead us to despair, but to awe and worship. The incomprehensibility of God invites us into a deeper relationship with Him as we learn to trust in Him mysteries, knowing that He is infinitely greater than we can imagine. And yung teaching number 1 po natin is the Triune God is incomprehensible. Sabi po dito na yung Triune God po natin is talagang meron silang unlimited na kaalaman na hindi natin alam, na yung mga nalalaman lang natin na alam natin na ang ating Panginoon Diyos is God is love, but hindi natin alam yung pinaka-meaning talaga ng love na meron ng ating Panginoong Diyos. And teaching number 2, the Father reveals Himself through Christ. Sabi naman po dito ng ating Panginoong Diyos ay nire-reveal niya talaga yung sarili niya through sa pamamagitan ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo. And teaching number 3, the Spirit communicates Christ to us. Sabi naman po dito na yung Spirit o Santong Espiritu ay ito po yung nakikipag-communicate sa atin na mapalapit tayo sa ating Panginoong Hesukristo, na makikipag-communicate sila sa mga nangyayari sa atin, na sabihin nito sa ating Panginoong Hesukristo at mapalapit tayo sa Kanya. And application number 1, resolve the know Christ experientially. Sabi po dito na i-resolve natin yung mga bagay na sinasabi na ating Panginoon Diyos is incomprehensible, but i-resolve po natin to na dapat na mas malaman natin or mas makilala natin ang ating Panginoong Diyos. And application number 2, read the Bible, the revelation about Christ. Sabi po dito na apply po natin sa sarili natin na magbasa po tayo ng Biblia at basahin po natin doon yung mga tungkol sa ating Panginoong Hesukristo na nire-reveal po siya doon na makilala natin siya. And application number 3, rely on the Spirit, the revealer of Christ. Sabi po dito na apply po natin sa sarili natin na ma-relay po tayo sa ating Santong Espiritu na binigay sa atin na ma-reveal or makilala natin yung ating Panginoong Hesukristo dahil sa ating Spirit o Santong Espiritu. And then lang po ngayong araw. Maraming salamat. God bless.